Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create music videos in TalkingPhotos and VideoExpress AI. First, let me explain to you the overall process. I'm using three main AI apps. MusicCreator AI to create lyrics in the song, TalkingPhotos AI to create singing photos, and VideoExpress AI to create the B-roll footage for the music video. In this tutorial, I'll only cover the overall process. I've created separate tutorials to show you how to create the music, singing photos, and the B-roll footage, and you'll find the links in the description section. So this is the MusicCreator AI app, and this is the song that I generated. You can also get the lyrics, which really helps to create the image prompts, and I'll show you that in a moment. This is Grok AI, but you can also use ChatGPT or any other AI. This is the image prompt for the female singer, which I created in Artistly AI. You can even create this in ChatGPT. I just prefer using Artistly. And this is the image that I used. And here is the prompt. So once I had the song and the image for the singer, I created the singing photo in TalkingPhotos AI. Like I said earlier, I've created a separate tutorial to show you to do this. Then I went back to Grok AI, I pasted the song lyrics and asked it to create image prompts, as you can see. I also asked Grok to provide the video prompts, as you can see here. The singing photo was 3 minutes and 6 seconds. And these are the images I generated in VideoExpress for the B-roll footage. And here are the video clips in VideoExpress that I generated. Here's an example of one of the video clips. You can check the image and the video prompt. And finally, I used a video editor. It doesn't matter what video editor you use because the process will be pretty similar. So in this bottom track, I placed the singing photo, which I created in TalkingPhotos. And you'll notice that I split it into different scenes because it makes it easier to place the B-roll footage. And on the top track is where I place the B-roll footage clips. So for example, in this section right here, there is no B-roll footage, which means that the girl singing will display. When the song plays in this section, this B-roll footage will play. Similarly, when it gets to this section, the other B-roll footage will play. And if I move the playhead to this section, there is nothing here, so the singer will display. So that's how you create the music videos. If you want to check the singing video, you can find the link in the description section. So there you have it. You can get VideoExpress and TalkingPhotos for a discounted price for a limited time. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.